Hidden within the tall green grass, ducks begin another quiet journey. Every step is careful. Every movement is guided by instinct. They search for a safe path through the dense vegetation, where food, water, and shelter may be waiting. But the wild is full of uncertainty. Behind every patch of grass, there could be a hidden danger. By staying close together, these ducks improve their chances of staying safe while continuing their search. Nature has given them no map, only the instinct to survive. What looks like a simple walk is actually a daily journey filled with patience, awareness, and resilience. In the wild, every step matters. Every choice can make the difference between danger and survival. And for these silent travelers, the journey continues.